If you want to get more done on your Mac in 2026, the right apps can save you hours every single week. In this video, I'll show you some of the best Mac productivity apps for work, studying, content creation, and daily organization. These apps are simple, useful, and actually worth installing. Let's get started. Number 1, Notion. First up is Notion. Notion is still one of the best all in one productivity apps for Mac. You can use it for notes, task management, project planning, calendars, and even team collaboration. In 2026, Notion's AI features are much better than before. You can summarize notes, generate content, organize projects, and automate repetitive tasks directly inside the app. Pros: all in one workspace, excellent AI tools, great templates, works for personal and team use. Cons: can feel overwhelming for beginners. Some advanced features require a paid plan. Raycast. Next, we have Raycast. Raycast is basically a supercharged spotlight search for Mac. You can launch apps, manage windows, search files, use AI tools, control Spotify, create shortcuts, and much more without touching your mouse. A lot of Mac users consider it one of the most essential productivity apps available right now. Pros: extremely fast, huge extension library, built in AI features, saves a lot of time. Cons: takes time to learn shortcuts, advanced AI features are paid. Todoist. Another great productivity app is Todoist. If you need a clean and simple task manager, Todoist is one of the best options. You can organize projects, create reminders, set recurring tasks, and sync everything across devices. It's lightweight, fast, and perfect for daily planning. Pros: easy to use, clean interface, excellent syncing, great for personal productivity. Cons: limited free version, not ideal for complex project management. Arc Browser. Now let's talk about Arc Browser. Arc completely changes the browsing experience on Mac. It focuses on organization and productivity with features like vertical tabs, workspaces, split views, and built in tools. If you spend hours inside your browser every day, Arc can seriously improve your workflow. Pros: modern interface, excellent tab management built for multitasking, great productivity features. Cons: different from traditional browsers, can use a lot of RAM. CleanShot X. Next is CleanShot X, and this is number 5. This is one of the best screenshot and screen recording apps for Mac. It's especially useful for content creators, students, and remote workers. You can capture screenshots, record your screen, blur sensitive info, and quickly share files. Pros: powerful screenshot tools, easy screen recording, fast sharing options, very clean interface. Cons: paid app, Mac only. Number 6, Alfred. Another popular productivity app is Alfred. Alfred is similar to Raycast but focuses heavily on automation and workflows. You can create shortcuts that automate repetitive tasks on your Mac. For power users, Alfred can become a huge time saver. Pros: excellent automation, lightweight and fast, highly customizable. Cons: learning curve for workflows, some features require power pack. Number 7, Obsidian. Next is Obsidian. Obsidian is one of the best note taking apps for people who manage lots of information. It allows you to connect notes together like a knowledge network. Writers, students, developers, and researchers especially love this app. Pros: powerful note organization, offline support, highly customizable, large plugin ecosystem. Cons: can feel complicated at first, setup takes time. Number 8, Magnet. Finally, we have Magnet. Magnet is a simple app that improves window management on Mac. You can quickly snap windows into different layouts for multitasking. It's simple, cheap, and surprisingly useful for everyday work. Pros: easy multitasking, lightweight, simple to use. Cons: basic compared to advanced window managers, no free version. Final verdict. So, what are the best Mac productivity apps in 2026? If you want an all in one workspace, Notion. Faster navigation and shortcuts, Raycast. Better task management, Todoist. AI productivity focused browser, Arc Browser. Better screenshots and recordings, CleanShot X. Advanced automation, Alfred. Powerful note taking, Obsidian. Better multitasking, Magnet. The best combination really depends on your workflow, but honestly, even installing just 2 or 3 of them can make your Mac experience much more productive. And that is it for this video. If you find it helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos like this. Share this video to your friend who have a Mac. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.